Welcome. If you're wondering how to disable package tracking in Gmail, you're in the right place. This quick guide walks you through the updated steps so you can keep your inbox focused on the messages that matter. First, open the Gmail app on your device. From there, look for the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner and tap to open the menu. This reveals all your Gmail options in one place. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and tap it. Settings houses the controls that tailor Gmail to your needs, so you're just a few taps away from a simpler inbox. Now, choose the email account you want to adjust. If you use more than one address in Gmail, make sure you select the specific account where you want to turn off package tracking. With the account selected, scroll to the section labeled Package Tracking. This is where Gmail handles how delivery updates show up in your email. Tap to access the option. You'll see a checkbox next to Package Tracking. Uncheck this box to disable the feature. Once it's unchecked, Gmail will stop pulling in those package notifications and you won't see tracking emails cluttering your inbox. If you ever want to re-enable package tracking, you can simply repeat the steps and recheck the box. The controls are designed to be straightforward, so you can switch it on or off as your needs change. A quick tip: if you're managing multiple devices, the setting you adjust on one device may not immediately sync across all devices. Give it a few minutes to propagate, or check another device to confirm the change took effect, and that's all there is to it. With package tracking disabled, your Gmail inbox stays cleaner, helping you focus on the messages that matter most without the extra updates cluttering your day. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more practical Gmail tips and updates. And if you have any questions about other Gmail features, drop them in the comments and I'll walk you through them.